Japan just sent a strong signal that it wants to become one of the world's leading hubs for crypto and Web3. Right now, WebEx Asia 2025 is underway at the Prince Park Tower in Tokyo. It's hosted by CoinPost, Japan's biggest Web3 media outlet, and it has become the premier Web3 conference in Asia. The event runs August 25th through 26th, bringing together over 1,000 companies, more than 150 exhibitors, and a series of high-profile side events. On stage, you'll find global leaders from government, finance, and the crypto industry. The topics range from stablecoins and tokenization to DeFi, Bitcoin, and even the convergence of AI with Web3. This is the place where the future of blockchain and digital finance in Asia is being shaped. One of the biggest highlights came from Japan's own government. Prime Minister Ishiba took the stage with a keynote announcing stronger government support for emerging industries. The focus areas include Web3, digital assets, AI, semiconductors, and even space technology. The message is clear. Japan views Web3 as a strategic industry that can help tackle long-term economic challenges, such as population decline and labor shortages. The government plans to roll out more investment support and regulatory reforms to make the country attractive for innovation and startups. Another major announcement is around crypto tax reform. Senior lawmaker Satsuki Katayama confirmed that Japan is evaluating a major change. The plan would reclassify investment-style crypto assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum under securities law. That would slash the tax rate on crypto gains from as high as 55% down to just 20%, the same rate as equities. For traders and institutions, this would be a game changer. It could pull more capital into Japan's crypto markets and spark a wave of new Web3 entrepreneurship. These moves line up with a broader global trend. Governments in both Asia and the West are racing to attract digital asset talent and capital. If Japan follows through with these reforms, it could quickly become one of the most competitive crypto hubs worldwide. The combination of proactive government support and friendlier tax policies signals a real turning point for Japan's digital economy. Japan may be on the verge of its biggest crypto shift yet. Make sure you subscribe for your daily crypto check-in. And if you want to see the latest campaigns, just search BTCC.